How to change network on Coinbase Wallet. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change network on Coinbase Wallet. To do so, first of all, you'll need to open your Coinbase application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your Coinbase Wallet. Once you are logged into your Coinbase Wallet, you will land on this homepage. In this homepage, at the bottom right, you'll find this icon. Tap on this icon and now you will reach to this page. In this page at the top right, you'll find the gear icon. Tap on this gear icon and once you reach to the settings page, here you need to find networks option. Once you find it, tap on networks and here you will be able to select the network you wish to use from the available options. You may choose any one of these based on your preference. Once you find the network you wish to use, you simply have to tap on it to open it, and here inside it you will need to scroll down. At the very bottom you will be able to see active networks or active now button. Simply tap on it and then you will be able to change your network. Currently this option is not available here in mine. If you see this button in yours, you can simply tap on it and then you will be able to change your network. If in case you didn't find the network that you are looking for in these options, then you may need to add a new one. For that, you need to tap on the plus button at the top right, and once you do so, here you will need to fill out these informations. In the first box, tap on it and enter the name of the network you are adding. For example, Smart Chain Testnet. Once you have entered the network name, now here you will need to enter the RPC URL. Make sure you enter the valid RPC URL here. After that, you will be asked to enter the chain ID of your network. Once doing that, here you will need to enter the currency symbol. At the bottom, you will see Block Explorer URL. If you have that, you can add it here. If not, this one is optional, so you can just skip it. Now after doing that, tap on this Add Network at the very bottom, and then you will be able to add a new network on Coinbase Wallet, which you will be able to change it later. So by following the steps, you should be able to change network on Coinbase Wallet. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.